up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today we are here at Rhino Films and Detailing, and we are showing our ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller and our plug-and-play Encore Power Amplifier. As you can see over here, we've got our really cool displays here demonstrating it. You can actually connect your phone to the ShiftPower app to see how the device works with the live throttle body and acceleration controller. In addition to that, we have a sound setup here comparing the sound quality with the Encore Alpha and also the factory system. So very cool setup here. We have brochures and there's a lot of really cool cars here, a lot of exotics, Porsches, Ferrari, Lamborghinis, McLaren, Lotus, Aston Martin here. Very exciting event going on with some food. Very happy to be here and very excited. All right, well, have some fun.
That's from Beat Sonic. 053. Yeah, car. Alright, go to Beat Sonic to pick up your prize.
Car, and then I'll mail the products to you.
Okay, sounds good.
What's your name? Kenny. Nice to meet you, Eric.
This is Eric, and he will introduce the product. It's actually a really cool product that's going to be tandem with Rhino's products as well. Please feel free to swing by his booth right over across from me. And this is Eric from Beat Sonic.
Hello, this is Eric from B-Sonic. We are here today with products that we're demonstrating. One of the products that called ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller. Very easy to install, plug and play, and basically gives you a full control of how much acceleration, throttle response from your car. Because some of these newer cars, it could really lag on the bottom end, and it's very different than like the throttle type, the cable type of response that you would have gotten in the older vehicles. So we have that here. There's even an immobilizer on there and even a valet mode. So when you're valeting your car, you don't want the valet driver flooring your car. You can control it. You could limit the amount of acceleration you give to them, give you a little bit of peace of mind. And yeah, all these products are available here at Rhino.
It's going to be here at Rhino, and today we have a special, so swing by the Beat Sonic booth. We'll take care of you.
Yes, come on by and I'll show you a demo how it works. And it has a really cool app. We could connect your phone and show you how all that operates as well.